MYSTRO app for Uber and Lyft. So here's the app you're looking for. It's called MYSTRO Driver, Drive and Deliver. With this app, you can boost your Uber driver and Lyft driver earnings up 30%. It's really smart app. I really recommend you to try it out. Basically, the idea that this app kind of combines all of these delivery services in one place, like Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Amazon Flex, and you only select the best offers which are around you, and you can also select filters, like just to have specific fare, specific price per mile in your area, and only accept those offers. And while you are using those offers, just go offline in other apps, and this way you just have much better revenue instead if you just using only Uber app or Lyft app. So that's just what you have. Pretty cool. So how it works, you just open up the app, and then you just need to connect your Uber account, Lyft account, Grubhub, Flex, like DoorDash accounts. You just need to connect all of those. Just tap and link your Uber driver account from here. And yeah, make sure to update MYSTRO app quite often, and as this because there are quite a lot of glitches and bugs, and yeah, that's the idea. So try it out.